Let's talk about one of my favorite subjects, receipts. What are you supposed to do with them and how long are you supposed to keep them? These are both great questions. According to the IRS, they say that you need to keep your receipts 3 years from the date of filing your tax return. Guess what, guys? That's not that long. So find yourself a little envelope, a little folder, a shoebox, somewhere to throw those receipts into so you have them. I'm going to tell you why. Keeping your receipts is not only required, but it is a good practice. I had a client recently who told me that he didn't have time to keep his receipts. Guess what he was doing for the next 2 months? Trying to find all the receipts that he didn't have time to keep, so he could prove to the IRS that the expenses that they had in question were indeed business expenses. You don't want to be in that situation. You don't want to say that you don't have time to do something because when you get audited, you're going to make the time to do it. So you might as well make the time now. One of my favorite ways of storing receipts is actually to scan the receipt, or you can even just take a picture with your phone. Something where you can go put it into a folder, and if something happens to that receipt, it blows up, it catches on fire, you wash it on accident, which is way more likely, then you have a copy of it. The other thing that I suggest is writing what the receipt is for. Can you remember what you did yesterday? Because I know I can't even remember what I ate for lunch. So write down a quick little description of what that thing was that you purchased so you can always remember in the future if you ever have to refer back to it. For example, office supplies or meals or something along those lines. So save your receipts, business owners. 3 years. It's not that long and it's not that hard.